How to get started with Figure Markets. The first step to using Figure Markets, access to open-issued public equities, is to sign up for a personal Figure Markets account. If you're on the web, go to figuremarkets.com. Once you're on the landing page, click the Sign Up button. If you're on mobile, search for Figure Markets in the Play Store or the Apple Store. Once you're on the Sign Up page, select Personal and scan the QR code. The QR code updates regularly for security purposes, so be sure to scan your own code. Mobile-only users will skip this step. After you scan the QR code, the on-screen instructions will tell you to continue on your phone. Check your Android or iOS device and download the app. If you're already on mobile, skip to the next step. Once the app is downloaded, open it on your mobile device. Now you can sign up for your Figure Markets account. Click the Create Account button. Back up your account with your unique recovery phrase. It's very important that you keep this recovery phrase safe, in case you need it to recover your account in the future. So be sure that you keep it somewhere that you will not lose it. If you'd like to keep this simple, you can back it up using your device's password manager or iCloud. To see the recovery phrase, click View Recovery Phrase over the blurred image. From here, you can copy it to your store. Remember, never share your recovery phrase with anyone else, as this could compromise your account. Once you've completed this step and you're certain that your recovery phrase is safe, click the Back Up Your Account button at the bottom of the screen. Now that you've made your account, you will land on a checklist to complete your Figure Markets profile. Click Add Your Profile Information to get started. Then follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity. All users must be KYC approved to trade equities. For more information, please see our privacy policy at figure.com/privacy. Once your identity is verified, you can fund your account with the funding method of your choice. You may select your bank account or wire transfer. After selecting your funding method, follow the on-screen instructions on your mobile device. Once you have funded your account, we recommend completing the in-app guided tour. This will help you find your way around the app. And that's it. Congratulations on opening your Figure Markets account. If you have any additional questions, reach out to our support team at support@figuremarkets.com.